Okay, guys, this is the diamond problems, the final step. Okay, so remember we started out with problems where I gave you the side numbers, right? The side numbers do all the work. Okay, 6 and 3, you have to multiply them to get the top, and you have to add them to get the bottom. Okay, now we're flipping it. So instead of giving you the side numbers, I'm giving you the top and the bottom numbers. Okay, so if we look at number 5 here, 36, we have to think about, well, what two numbers can multiply to 36? But also those same two numbers, just like 6 and 3, these two numbers have to add to 13. Okay, so the side numbers have to do two things. All right, they got to be the same when they multiply and when they add. All right. So to do this, you got to figure out your factors of 36 first. Okay, so my suggestion is, for now, until you guys get good at memorizing the factors, just take your calculator and do 36, divided by 1, 36 divided by 2, 36 divided by 3, and so on and so on and so on, until you get answers that are whole numbers. Okay, so if we think about it, 36 divided by 1 is 36. So 1 and 36 are is your pair. Okay, if we do 36 divided by 2, you get 18. So 2 and 18 are factors of 36. Okay, you do 36 divided by 3, you get 12. So 3 and 12 are factors of 36. 36 divided by 4, you get 9. Okay, so 4 and 9 are factors of 36. If you do 36 divided by 5, you get a decimal, so that does not work. Okay, so you got to move on. 36 divided by 6 is 6. So those are factors of 36. Okay, 36 divided by 7 is a decimal. 36 divided by 8 is a decimal. And then 36 divided by 9 is 4. So we already have 9 and 4. So you can stop. Once you get a repeat, you can stop. All right, so now we're looking at these 5. All right, so now these pairs have to add to 13. All right, 1 plus 36 does not add to 13. 2 plus 18 does not add to 13. 3 plus 12 does not add to 13. 4 plus 9, that actually does add to 13, so that is going to be our answer. Okay, so there's just a little extra work. I will post just some practice on finding factors, so you can have a list, running list. You can just check the list. However, you won't have that for the test. So this is probably your best bet. Okay, and I would write them off to the side like I did. All right, so we can do one more, right? 24 and 10. So I got to figure out, well, what two numbers can multiply to 24 and then add to 10. Okay, they have to be the same two numbers. So 24 divided by 1 is 24. 24 divided by 2 is 12. So 2 and 12 are factors. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 3 and 8 are factors. 24 divided by 4 is 6. 4 and 6 are factors. 24 divided by 5 is a decimal, so that does not work. 24 divided by 6 is 4. We finally found a repeat, so I'm going to stop. So now I look at what I have. 1 plus 24 is not 10, so that doesn't work. 2 plus 12 is not 10. 3 plus 8 is not 10. 4 plus 6 is 10, so 4 and 6 are my answers. Okay? Please practice this, because this is going to be crucial once we start after spring break and factoring quadratics. All right? I know, tough stuff, but we can do it. All right? If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.